Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to be the first, just like you guys right now, be the first to actually be in shock of what 200 pesos or less kind of price for a bag would look like, because it just arrived today and I'm kind of excited to figure out what it is and what it would look like. I did get a bold color for this just because I was curious and I really wanted a color with this specific shade, but I'm not sure if it's what I really want. So it's right here. So here's the bag. And yes, again, it's a bag, but don't worry, I am going to show you guys different other items that I'm going to review. But right now, I'm really catching up on this because it's on sale. So yeah, let's get cutting. So my signature scissors. So honestly, I haven't really been like buying a lot of stuff more and selling them, because a lot of them I haven't really used. So yeah, okay, I almost saw it, so here it is. So I did open it already. It's not open, and let's see how much this is. I kind of forgot what the shop was, the name, but I am gonna link it down below, and hopefully it is great. So it's obviously doesn't have any stuffing, so ta-da! Okay, so yes, it's a green bag, and I do have a green bag already that's a featured, like a quilted bag that is inspired by, you know, the reissue, but I really wanted a shade like this, and it was a really good price. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. If I'm not gonna keep it, I'll probably gift it to someone really nice. So, but okay, so first off, it's really shiny, and yeah, it doesn't have any stuffing, so that one is a con to me. It doesn't have a stuffing, but it's honestly thick. I mean, the quality is thick. Like when you open it, this is thick, and the graining is really obvious. I mean, you could probably pass this up as like a Chanel in one of the cruise collections or one of the collections of before, but it's not like one of the classics, so it's like probably a reissue copy like that, but it is a reissue inspired. And honestly, I don't know if I might try to stuff things and then see for a couple of days how it will look like. You will see on my Instagram if it does work for my preference. Now the handle, or I mean the string, is kind of flimsy. It's really thin, but not only that, I mean, compared to this one, this has thicker straps. I mean, this is a small bag compared to this one, but this has thicker straps than this. So yeah, probably you won't get any like much big stuff that you're gonna put in here, and there's no back pocket like if you're gonna copy the classic. So yeah, but I'm gonna give this a chance. Honestly, I am gonna give it a chance, but yeah, it's super shiny. The graining is obvious. I love the color. I mean, I am in love with this kind of forest green, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a really good good use out of it. A lot of use out of it, maybe for like errands. It's a really pretty bag. I mean, for the price itself, it's a pretty good quality bag for the price. And yeah, it has adjustable what do you call, I don't think it's adjustable. Never mind, it's not adjustable. It's just a design, like a tassel kind of thing, like the one in Chanel. Well, they have that, the ball, but it's supposed to be adjustable, but this one isn't. Just like this one has an adjustable strap here. You can just chain that to a shorter one or a longer one. See? Okay, there. So yeah, this one is different when it comes to that. This one is a lot more paler. I actually use this color a lot, but I really was looking for like that forest green. But yeah, it's not a pain. I mean, probably would use it. I probably use it, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, so this is what you're gonna get for like a less than 200 pesos kind of bag. Plus there's probably the shipping. I'm not sure. I got a free shipping out of this one. But yeah, so far I'm not gonna say I don't like it. I mean, I could still pull it off. I mean, like what they say, it's all about how you're going to wear it or how you're going to present it. So I will put some stuffing in this and I will let you know in the next video. So this is the video for this. I will link it down below. If you like one of these kind of reviews, like the super affordable ones, and if they're really great or not, just come to me, comment down below on what it is, if it's really good, and I'll let you know. Please like and subscribe down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. See ya!